On today's daily news, I have been successful in calming my excitement because when the news broke yesterday that Norwegian Joy will be home porting in Montego Bay, Jamaica, starting August 7th, 2021, I couldn't contain myself. Oh, the jubilation, the excitement, the joy, the thrill of knowing that the Joy, the second newest ship in the Norwegian fleet, will be home porting in Jamaica and for 10 glorious weeks, 7-night sailings from Montego Bay. Oh, the excitement builds. But let me not get above myself. Let's start at the beginning, shall we? In cruiseindustrialnews.com, the publication speaks about Norwegian Holdings announcing that it will restart service this July with cruises from Jamaica, the Dominican Republic, and Greece, with the Norwegian Joy, the Jade, and the Gem. The Jade will sail 7-day cruises to the Greek Isles from Athens, starting on July 25. The Norwegian Joy will sail 7-day itineraries from Montego Bay, starting on August 7th. And the Norwegian Gem will launch service from the Dominican Republic on 7-day cruises starting on August 15th. The Jade's Greek Isles program will see a different port call daily, including Arikalon, Rhodes, Mykonos, Olympia, Corfu, and Santorini. Both Caribbean sailings each feature 4 ports and 2 days at sea. Sailing from Montego Bay, the Joy's calls will include Harvest Cay, and that is the private island for Norwegian Cruise Line in Belize. Beautiful. I'm sure we've done a feature on it. We will identify it and possibly have it there in the description for you to review. It will also offer Roatan, Honduras, Cozumel, and Ocho Rios. Sailing from La Romana in the Dominican Republic, the Gem will visit Barbados, St. Lucia, St. Martin, and Antigua. Guests wishing to go ashore will need to purchase a Norwegian Cruise Line shore excursion for sailings taking place in July and August. Norwegian said this policy will be continually evaluated and it will modify requirements accordingly. Norwegian says that this is a part of the two-pronged plan for its long-awaited return to cruising this summer, also including the proposal the company sent to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the CDC, on April 5 of 2021. Outlining its plan to restart cruising from U.S. ports starting July 4th and requesting the CDC lift the conditional sail order. All initial voyages will operate with fully vaccinated guests and crew, in addition to the company's robust, multi-layered Safe Sail health and safety protocol, which includes universal COVID-19 testing prior to embarkation. The company also announced that the formation of the Safe Sail Global Health and Wellness Council, the company's expert public health council, chaired by former Commissioner of the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, Dr. Scott Gottlieb, which will complement the work of the Health Sail Panel, the HSP. As you all may know, I'm exactly where I want to be with this particular commentary. We're home porting in Jamaica, guys. No, it's not the first time, but it is a big deal to see that Norwegian Cruise Lines has the confidence in Jamaica. She has put her best foot forward. We are blessed with the Norwegian Joy. That is no small feat. Ah, so excited. Being the sister ship to the Norwegian Bliss with an active go-kart rink on board, with water slides that defy imagination, with over 16 restaurants to choose from, so many inclusions, and to make better best, we here at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited are very pleased to offer 4 free perks just by booking, including a 50% reduction in your cruise fare. So it's a no-brainer. So let's flesh a few things out. For starters, we will be offering as your free perk on any cabin category that's not a guarantee, all 4 perks. So if you are booking anywhere from an interior cabin, an ocean view, balcony, a penthouse, or in the haven, you will receive 2 free restaurant dining experiences in specialty restaurants. Of course, bear in mind that the bulk of the restaurants on board will be included. Usually there are about 8 that are included, but there are some specialty restaurants and you will be able to sample 2 of these for free. Full course meal, full service, paying only the gratuity to the staff. And that we have already worked into your cruise fare. No need to worry. Then we will be offering a $250 ShoreX, that's Shore Excursion credit. And this is for all 10 sailings starting August 7th, 2021, sailing from Montego Bay. And these excursions begin with the first excursion port, $50 per excursion while in port. Awesome sauce, awesome stuff. Then free Wi-Fi throughout the ship. This is coming in as $138, I believe. We're also offering you a free drink package, over $600 in value per person. Wonderful. Beers, wines, oh my goodness, bottled water, pretty much everything you would want to consume, specialty coffees, teas, mixed drinks, cocktails. Oh, awesome sauce, wonderful experience right there. And with our free dining, free beverage pack, free shore excursion, we are missing one other thing. And I will remember that in a minute. So, of course, our free Wi-Fi, free dining, free beverage, and free shore excursion voucher wraps up our 4 offers that are 4 perks that are being offered for all cabin categories, irregardless of the location on the ship, irregardless of the category, irregardless of the deck. Now, for those who just want a sail away rate, they don't want all of the freebies, they just want to get on the ship. We've got the IX, the MX, the BX. Anything with an X is a guaranteed cabin. It does not have all of the fluff. You just get on the ship and you sail away. And yes, there is room for that as well. Those cabins are available. They are assigned by Norwegian up to 2 weeks prior to embarkation. You don't have a say in where on the ship you go, but then you don't care. For those persons who say, just get me on board, we've got that. And because this is an inaugural sailing from Jamaica, we are still going to give you something to make you feel special. You will benefit from the free Shore X voucher. I must caution you though, these are gonna fill out fast. It's capacity controlled, and so as soon as you have made your booking, made your deposit with us, let us go and review all the shore excursions that are available in the program. and select it. Apply your free SureX voucher. It's gonna come on the back end, but we'll talk to you more about that as you complete your booking with us. We will not have on this offer any prepaid gratuities, so those will come in as an additional cost that you need to bear in mind. And Desra or myself, your travel designers, we will work that in for you. And we always suggest pay it in advance. That way you really have nothing to think about as you board your floating hotel getting ready for adventure. Now, of course, the Norwegian Joy is a destination in itself. I kid you not. 7 days on this ship will not allow you to explore all that she has to offer. But of course, a cruise is all about destination immersion. And so you will get a wonderful opportunity to visit 4 ports of call. We did talk a little bit about the Harvest Key, the private island in Belize, that will have all the fun that you could ever imagine once you disembark. But let's start at the beginning. This is a Saturday round trip sailing, and so we will advertise boarding in Montego Bay. Each of our clients will have staggered boarding, and so we are looking to sail at 8 p.m. out of Montego Bay. And this will be for every Saturday starting the 7th of August. We're having a full day at sea the following day. That's good because having boarded your ship, it's wonderful for the next day being a sea day that you get a chance to discover what's on board, indulge in all the activities, or just sleep in. This is what it's really about, living in the lap of relaxation. Our first port of call, therefore, will be Harvest Key, and we will have a wonderful time there, arriving about 7 a.m. and being there all day, departing at 6 p.m. And then it's off to Roatan, the Roatan Bay Islands, which is in Honduras. And this will offer us a full day experience as well from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Cozumel, Mexico is up next. We'll arrive at 10 a.m., departing at 8. And just for those who usually find Cozumel to be not a place where a lot happens, it's more lots of bars and shopping, we have a trick that we recommend highly, and that is to take a ferry over to Playa del Carmen. Now, based on the offerings, we will get an update from Norwegian because you cannot divert and do your own activities at this point. So we will have that update and see if we do have a trip over to Playa del Carmen, which is really where all the excitement happens in that area. Now, when you return to your ship after the day out at Cozumel, it's a full day at sea. And exciting Ocherius comes up right there. We arrive in Ocherius on Friday. So Friday, bustling Ocherius day. It's going to be epic right there from 7 a.m. and we sail out at 6 p.m. Couldn't ask for more. Full day in Ocherius. Get off your ship, hang out, chill, take in the fishing village, great seafood there, journey throughout the town, just so much happening. It's such a lively environment right there in our little town of Ocherius. And as we board once more, we slowly take our final journey along the coast, where at 6 a.m. we would have been docked in Montego Bay, ready to disembark and to continue the journey of discovery, because at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we already have your post-cruise fun ready just for you. That's our itinerary. 7-day rotations, Saturday departures starting August 7th and going all the way through until October 9th for the final sailing. It's Norwegian joy, it's fun, it's beautiful, it is an adventure. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're standing by to take you there. Ciao for now.